y'all, welcome back to my channel, Ask DeAvila Sadé, with your host, Dr. DeAvila Sadé, and I'm back with a new video. If you are new to my channel is all about me loving my microlocs and tips on how to take care of my microlocs. I have an entire playlist on my channel that shows from install day all the way up until this point, almost 4 years locked. Like, that's crazy. And I'll link it up here, so if you want to watch my entire journey, you can. Today, I am doing a product review, this is gonna be my first time using this product. I've already done a unboxing. It's from Chebeauty, I wanna make sure I'm pronouncing it right, Chebeauty. And yeah, they sent me their whole Dream Curls bundle. Again, I'll link that video if you want to see what all came in that. Today from the Chebeauty line, I am going to be using their shampoo. I'm going to be using their shampoo, the moisturizing shampoo. After that, I'm going to follow up with their rice water, which is supposed to use after you shampoo, but before you deep condition. So we're gonna use that next and leave it in for, this is 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna go in with the Chebeauty Deep Conditioner, Moisturize and Repair. After shampooing and doing that, I'm gonna leave this in for 5 to 10 minutes. And then lastly, when I am styling my hair, which I think I'm gonna do a braid out, I am going to use the rosemary oil to seal in the leave-in that I used today. So I'm super excited to be, washing my hair, y'all. My hair is just, oh my God, I hadn't washed it in 2 weeks. Look at the length though. You know I'm gonna have to always give y'all a length check. Okay, not that y'all asked for it. But yeah, I need to wash my hair now, so I've been wanting to use these products. So my wash day will be taking place in my kitchen sink. Judge the one that had you and not me. You know what? The people that be with the hygiene Olympics, I just don't be having time. Maybe everybody got some Lysol, whatever, to clean out a sink. Just like when you throw your raw chicken in there, baby. You know how to clean a sink. I clean my sink after I wash my hair. But considering that for 2 of the steps today, I'm going to have to leave it in for like 15, 20 minutes. I just don't want to be standing in the shower just in there for 40 minutes if you do both of them. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. So we're gonna wash it at the sink today, and I'm gonna take you on my wash day. And yeah, that's really it. You know I'm a certified yapper, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey y'all, first I'm starting off with the moisturizing shampoo. As you see, I am getting my locks fully saturated, because we want to make sure that we start off with fully saturated locks to make sure we get out any debris and just kind of start breaking down those products. So I smell the product and it smells so good. It smells very earthy. It has some vanilla scents to it and some lavender. Just smells very earthy though. So it's not like a strawberry. You're not going to get any type of fruity smells or anything like that. When I'm first shampooing my locks, I tend to want to just focus on my scalp and just let the shampoo run down the length of my locks. So that's really important to me. So that is what I focus on at first. So now I'm doing the second wash here, and the shampoo is really sudsing up, is lathering really, really well. And I'm really starting to feel that my locks and my scalp is super clean. Now, I did feel like it definitely, I will use this word loosely, stripped my hair. Like, I could tell that there were no products left in my hair. So it did kind of have a stripping feeling to it. But I would say not to be alarmed because of everything that we're going to use afterwards. after I'm done shampooing my hair twice, I'm going in with the rice water, and it says to spray it on freshly shampooed hair and then put on a shower cap and leave in for 15 to 20 minutes. I make sure I massage it through my scalp and throughout the length of my hair. I did not have a shower cap, so I just used a regular trash bag that I use for my bathroom garbage. After it's been in my hair about 20 minutes, I go ahead and rinse out the product. I make sure I thoroughly rinse my locks. And now I'm starting to feel like, okay, I'm getting some moisture back into my locks. I am now following up with the deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is so thick, okay? Super thick. And I felt like, oh, this is really gonna do something to my locks. I am making sure to concentrate on my ends, as those are the oldest parts of my hair, but I am distributing it throughout my entire hair. I decided to sit under my dryer just for 10 minutes. As you see, Devontae wants to jump in, and I was on FaceTime with one of my best friends, and I just left it in for 10 minutes and then rinsed it with cold water. And I really felt like the product did come rinse out very easily. As you're gonna see when I dry my hair, that I feel like it did not have any, it didn't leave behind any residue in my locks. So I like to dry my locks with a black t-shirt. And as I'm doing that, as you see, like I said earlier, I know how to clean my sink. And I clean my sink with some Clorox. And now it's time to get into styling. Look at that scalp, okay? My hair is feeling so hydrated. I am just like, oh, that deep conditioner really, I feel like really gave my hair back the hydration that it really needed. I decided that I'm going to do a braid out. However, I am just going to braid my hair in this video. I'm not going to show the results of that braid out. I am going to part my hair in multiple sections because since I'm probably going to wear these for about a week, I decided I want at least some decent parts. My leave-in that I'm using is the As I Am Bond Water. I wanted to make sure I use a leave-in on here. I want to follow up with the Chebeauty Rosemary Oil. As you see, I am braiding my hair in the small sections. You can do whatever you want as far as styling. I just decided that I kind of wanted my hair to be out the way for a couple of days. So I am just doing medium-sized braids throughout my entire head. While I'm doing my braid out, I will go ahead and just give my review. Overall, I'm gonna start with, I really feel like for this to be my first impression of the product and my first time using the product, I am super excited to keep on using the product. I felt like my locks feel super hydrated. I was concerned about possible product buildup with the deep conditioner, but it did not leave any product buildup in my locks, which made me really happy. I will say, like I said, the moisturizing shampoo, it gave more clarifying shampoo. Again, this is my first time using it, and I definitely am a proponent of trying something multiple times before calling it a bad or good product. So I will say that I would need to try it again, but going forward, I would honestly possibly want to follow up with another moisturizing shampoo, because honestly that shampoo, it gave very clarifying, and it gave very, it stripped you of all your iniquities. But overall, the entire line smelled great. I am a very, I like fruit smells and scents. However, this was more earthy, but it was okay. Like, I didn't mind that at all. And I could tell that it had bits of peppermint in it. Like, my scalp just felt so soothed. Like, I felt like my scalp felt so clean and soothing. It was really good. So I think I'm gonna try this product for at least maybe about a month and a half, especially because I typically wash my hair every 2 weeks. That I'm going to definitely keep trying this and see how I feel. And I think I might do an updated review on it. Maybe, I might do it for 3 months. And then I'll just let you know if it's a yay or nay for me. How about that? So follow me along and I will drop a review soon. But that is really it. Here's the final results for my braids. I'm going to put them in different styles and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.